Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be doing some work with division. And we're doing that division again in the context of Brad's baseball shop. So one of the things that is really important to note in division is that rows go side to side or horizontal, and columns go up and down or vertical. So keep that in mind. Brad's online baseball business is doing so well that he and his sister Bethany have decided to set up a little shop where people can actually walk in, see some of the things Brad sells, and buy them right on the spot. Here are some of the things they are planning for the shop. So when you walk in, the first thing you'll see will be a rack with some of Brad's best championship baseballs displayed. And there will be 4 rows on the rack. So I'm going to use these blue pieces. I know rows go horizontal, so I'm going to need 4 of them. And there will be 6 balls in each row. How many balls in all? Okay, so to save time, I went through and added 6 balls to each of those rows. And I came up with 24 total. And there's a lot of ways you could have seen that. You could have seen 4 groups of 6. But basically what I did is 4 times 6 to get that. So my next question is on another rack. I'll have 6 columns of baseball caps, and there will be 4 caps in each column. So how many caps in all? I hope you're noticing I already have 6 columns here. And I already have 4 caps in each column. So I can use the same representation. And again, I'm doing 4 times 6 or 6 times 4 to get to that answer of 24. Okay, so now I'm looking at this next one. Brad has a collection of 24 baseball cards signed by some of the most famous players in Major League Baseball. He's going to put them in a glass case in 4 equal rows. How many cards will be in each row? Now, I really wish you had seen me setting up when I did this first problem. But in that one, I did my 4 rows, and I already knew there were going to be 6 in each row. So I actually laid them out 6, 6, 6, 6. With this one, though, I don't know how many are going to be in each row. I just know there's 4 rows. So I have a stack of 24 baseball cards here. I can't automatically put 6 in each row because I don't know. So I would probably give out 1 to every single row until I ran out. I would eventually realize there would be 6 in each row. So for this one, I'm thinking about what I actually did, and I kind of started with those 24 baseball cards. And I knew I had to divide those into 4 rows. And then I realized that there would be 6 in each row. Think about 4. So Bethany has just unpacked 24 new baseball shirts, and she's laying them out in columns of 6 so she can take a good look at them. How many columns can she make? Well, I can still technically use this representation, but right now my columns only have 4 in them, so I'd have to imagine it kind of tilted this way. And here's my columns of 6. And if I laid out 6 and 6 and 6 and 6, I would come to realize that I could make 4 columns with that. So for this problem, what I actually did is I started with those 24 baseball shirts, and I divided them into groups of 6, and I ended up with 4 in each group. Today, you are going to continue doing division problems, and your teacher will explain those to you.